As the next task, we will install the needle cylinder to your machine. Here I have a 56 needle cylinder. You get with every machine 2 cylinder sizes, what you ever have chosen when you have ordered it. So the cylinder has 2 screws, here and here, and there's also 2 bolt holes here and here. So just position it over the bolt holes, take your Allen key and bolt it down. This task may take you a bit. First you have to fiddle a little bit so you get the right position, but when you get it you can screw the M3 nut bolts down till they're snug. There's no need for over tightening them, but they don't have to be loose. That's the easiest way to describe it. So let me bolt it down so you can see how it has to look like. So you can see the cylinder is set now to the base and there is no interference or anything else.